Hi everyone, I'm Danny Krasinski, Head of Sales at Direktin, and today I'm excited to be here at EXAIR discussing our strategic partnership and how together we're revolutionizing the compressed air industry and efficiency. Today I'm here with Tyler Daniel, who has 15 years experience in the industry. Tyler, what makes the partnership with Direktin so unique?
Thank you, Danny. So here at EXAIR, we've been solving problems related to compressed air since 1983. We have never seen anything quite like what Direktin brings to the table. The EasyCAS software has fundamentally changed how we approach our customers. Rather than providing reactive solutions, we're providing proactive, data-driven, engineered solutions.
That's exactly what we envisioned when we created EasyCAS. So at Direktin, we believe industrial efficiency starts in the design phase. And in our platform, engineers can simulate, validate, and optimize before any physical products are installed.
But the real magic happens when you combine the EasyCAS software with EXAIR's proven component expertise.
Let's dive into the problem that we're solving together. In many of my conversations with industrial facilities, they don't realize exactly how much these inefficiencies are costing them. Tyler, what have you seen over the years working with EXAIR?
Danny, it's staggering. So compressed air can account for up to 30% of a facility's energy consumption. But the shocking part is that 60% of that is typically wasted. For decades, we've been watching facilities try to solve these problems reactively or with random component upgrades, rather than addressing the root cause.
Exactly, and that's where our designed efficiency philosophy comes in. The traditional approach is install first and optimize later, if they optimize at all. With EasyCAS, engineers can model pressure drops, flow losses, and energy consumption across the entire system. So they can test different configurations virtually and choose the optimal EXAIR components before making a physical investment. How has this changed your interaction with your customer?
It's completely transformed our interactions with customers. When an engineer integrates an EXAIR component into their system through the EasyCAS software, they're no longer just buying an EXAIR product, they're buying a complete solution. The software automatically generates specifications and BOMs based off our verified components. It's like having EXAIR's over 40 years of industrial experience built into the software.
And the confidence factor is huge for our customers. There's no more guesswork. There's no more undersizing, oversizing, choosing the wrong components. Can you walk us through a specific example?
Absolutely. So we recently were contacted by a customer that was having an issue with a cooling process. They were using some of those modular coolant hoses that you'll see typically used in industry for blowing. They're very loud, very inefficient, and not safe. So we were able to simulate the change by implementing 4 of our 1103 nozzles instead of these hoses. The customer could see the savings in real time and was able to determine where the pressure drops that were occurring before are no longer an issue. But with the EasyCAS software, we were able to simulate and realize the over $40,000 in annual savings before anyone even turned a wrench.
Perfect. And that's the importance of the industry moving forward and being able to go from selling just products to selling complete engineered solutions.
Exactly.
From Direktin's perspective, we're trying to shift the entire industry from reactive maintenance into designed efficiency. When systems are optimized from day one, you don't get into the constant cycle of problems and fixes. How does this align with EXAIR's philosophy?
It aligns perfectly with our founder, Roy Sweeney's original vision. EXAIR has always prided itself on solving problems, but now we're also preventing them. Our application engineers work closely through the EasyCAS software to ensure that once a solution is installed, it's going to work exactly as it's specified.
And sustainability is becoming increasingly important to our customers. And with every EasyCAS project, it comes with carbon tracking and ESG reporting capabilities. Companies can see exactly how much CO2 they're preventing and even monetize those through carbon credits. How do EXAIR products help those sustainability goals?
So EXAIR's intelligent compressed air products are designed specifically for energy conservation. Products like our Super Air Knife, our Super Air Amplifier, air nozzles can all reduce compressed air consumption by up to 50% compared to some ineffective and homemade alternatives. When you combine this with the EasyCAS optimization, the sustainability impact is extraordinary.
Yeah, it's really a powerhouse combination. Data-driven design optimization paired with products that are inherently efficient.
Exactly. It's about fundamentally changing how industrial systems are conceived and built.
I'm really excited about where this partnership is going. For engineers that are still using older methods like spreadsheets, trial and error, what would you tell them about making this type of transition?
The days of guesswork are over. With EasyCAS integrated with EXAIR components, you can deliver better results, faster timelines, and guaranteed performance. Why take risks when you can have certainty backed by data?
And even though the energy savings are substantial, it's also about system reliability and predictable performance and the confidence that comes from data-driven decision-making. And that's what we call designed efficiency.
Exactly. I could not have said it any better myself, Danny.
As we wrap up, I'd love to hear your thoughts on what makes this partnership truly unique in the compressed air industry.
Danny, what sets this apart is we're not just integrating software and hardware. We're combining EXAIR's over 40 years of field experience with Direktin's cutting-edge technology. For our customers, this means they're not just buying EXAIR product. They're buying optimized solutions that are guaranteed to perform exactly as specified. That level of confidence is unprecedented in industry.
And from Direktin's perspective, having EXAIR's components and expertise integrated into our platform, that gives engineers a full solution that they need. This is the perfect partnership between innovation and reliability. For viewers who want to experience this partnership firsthand, I strongly recommend that you visit www.direktin.com and try out EasyCAS software and see how EXAIR's products can transform your compressed air system.
And our team here at EXAIR is ready to support the implementation phase just the same as we've supported customers for over 4 decades. Together, we're not just changing how compressed air systems are designed, we're changing how they perform.
Thank you, Tyler, for joining me today. And this partnership represents the future of industrial efficiency.
And we're excited to help you achieve designed efficiency in your operations.